Welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends we are going to talk about how can we solve guys internet problem in our Infinix phone. Guys you want to solve your internet problem in your Infinix phone so fine you can solve. And guys now let's see guys how can we solve guys internet problem in our Infinix phone. Today I will show you in this video. First of all open your phone setting. After on phone setting guys you will have to scroll friends you can see this type of setting in your Infinix phone. So I scroll and guys click on phone system setting. The last one guys you can see your phone system setting as you will have to click. Guys click on guys your reset option setting. Guys click on your reset setting first one, and so you can see guys your this option reset setting guys tap here. After that guys you can see guys your password setting, this notification. So you have your pattern, so I draw your pattern, you have your pin password and a lock, so I enter your pin. So we will enter our pin to continue. Tap here to solve your internet problem. Then guys you can see setting has been reset, means your internet problem has solved. Now guys you can use your phone and guys you can use your internet setting without any problem. After that guys you have any problem in your internet setting, so don't worry, take a screenshot of your phone model number, send me in comment section, I will check, I will help you. Bye friends.